So that's why we see that there is always a talk much on mind. In either you go to our Vagyakaras or to our great Vedantins or to great musicians like Purandaradasa, ದಾಸರಂದರೆ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರೇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ದಾಸಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠನಾಗಿರೋ ಪುರಂದರಗಳು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈಸ್ ಎ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಟ್ರುವಂಟ್ and it will never listen to us. You have to listen to us. That's why Krishna in Bhagavad Gita, Gopi Chandavare, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, you don't allow the mind to control you, rather let you control the mind to control. So when you once try to control your mind, then you are on the road, you are on the track, you are on set to go the goal of life emancipation. If your mind is not at all well controlled, indriyas are not controlled, the circumstances are not taken into your control, well, you will be running amok. Therefore, here also, see, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿರುವ ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಏನೇನೋ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಸಂಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ನೀವಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಐತ್ರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು, ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಫಿಕಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ there is one word used here by Bibhartu, means bharana. Bharana is the responsibility. So unless there is that responsibility for lifelong is being taken, he cannot be described as a bharta. And bharta is a karta. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4th ಶ್ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಮದಾಂಧ ಸಿಂಧುರ ಸ್ಫುರತ್ವಗುತ್ತಿರಿಯ ಮೇದುರೇ ಶಿವೇ ಮನಃ ಅದ್ಭುತಂ ಬಿಭರ್ತು ಮನಃ. ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫೆಲೋ? Rudra is the Bhuta Bharta. His main job is to maintain the people that have come into this world. ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ರುದ್ರ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯಾತೆ ಶಿವಾತನು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ರುದ್ರಂ ಯು ಸಿ, ಅಯ್ಯ ರುದ್ರ, ನಿನ್ನ ಶರೀರ, ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಶಿವ, ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಡಿ ಶಿವ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಶಿವ ಯು ಆರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಶಿವತನಸ್ಸಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರವನ್ನು ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಮುಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ ಪಂಚರತ್ನ ಕೀರ್ತನ ಶಾಂತಚಿತ್ತುಲೈನವಾರೆಂದರೋ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವುలు. ಸೊ ಚಿತ್ತము ಶಾಂತವಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಿಭರ್ತು ವಿನೋದಂ. 5th ಶ್ಲೋಕ, ಸಹಸ್ರಲೋಚನ ಪ್ರಭೃತ್ಯ ಶೇಷಲೇಖಶೇಖರ ಪ್ರಸೂನಧೂಲಿಧೋರಣೀ ವಿಧೂಸರಂಘ್ರಿ ಪೀಠಭೂ ಭುಜಂಗರಾಜಮಾಲಯಾ ನಿಬದ್ಧಚಾಟಜೂಟಕ ಶ್ರಿಯೈ ಚಿರಾಯ ಜಾಯತಾಂ ಚಕೋರಬಂಧುಶೇಖರ. ಈ ಚಕೋರ bird is brought into the context because it is such a devoted tapasvi that it will only wait for the rainwater as its food. Whenever rain comes, it opens the beak. Whatever water got stored in the stomach, until next rain comes, it will remain sustained with that. So Chakora Bandhu anta dependent birds, jivas, on rain, on Bhagavan's Karuna, are being nurtured by Karuna. See, for example, for all the trees and things in the forest, who is going to water them? ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ನೀರು ಪಾಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ವಾಟ್ರ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಾಟ್ರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸೋಮಾರಿತನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ ಪಾಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲೆಗಳು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬ ಡಲ್ಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಯಾವಾಗ ವಿನೋದ ಅನ್ನೋ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೋ, ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ವಿನೋದವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದುತ್ತದೋ, ಆವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಸೊ ಶ್ರಿಯೈ ಚಿರಾಯ ಜಾಯತಾಂ. ಇದು ಚಿರಾಯ ಶ್ರಿಯೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬಂದು ನಾಳೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಇನ್ 50s 60s ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಟ್ 19, ಅವಾಗ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸು ದೇರ್ ನೋ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್, ನೋ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ರೂಪಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. There is no guarantee that you will reach home with that, or you will be able to judiciously spend that money whole 30 days. In first week, people will have paila purchase and spending. In the next week, last week, tumba daridra. That's why ಪುನರ್ದರಿದ್ರ ಪುನರೇವ ಪಾಪಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಆ ದುಡ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. And that's why somebody was telling, you should always save at least a month's salary in case of difficult contingencies anta, because all time things will not be the same. Save at least 1 month's salary for your support prop. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಚಿರಾಯ ಶ್ರೀಯೈ ಜಾಯತಾಂ. ಅಯ್ಯ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ರುದ್ರ, ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡು. ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಪದ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಖ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಅಂತ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀದೇವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ 6th ಶ್ಲೋಕ, ಲಲಾಟ ಚತ್ವರಜ್ವಲ ಧನಂಜಯ ಸ್ಫುಲಿಂಗಭಾ ನಿಪೀತ ಪಂಚಸಾಯಕಂ ನಮನ್ನಿಲಿಂಪನಾಯಕಂ ಸುಧಾಮಯೂಖಲೇಖಯಾ ವಿರಾಜಮಾನಶೇಖರಂ ಮಹಾಕಪಾಲಿ ಸಂಪದೇ ಶಿರೋಜಟಾಲಮಸ್ತುನಃ. See, you should always focus your attention upon the Shivaiswarya. That's why it is Ekaiswarya. Kalidasa in Malavikagnitram Nandi Sloka, he compliments Lord Rudra as one. No god has got this kind of compliment. Ekaiswarye sthitopi pranata bahupalepi ಯಸ್ವಯಂ ಕೃತ್ತಿವಾಸಾಹ ಕಾಂತಾ ಸಮ್ಮಿಶ್ರದೇಹೋಪಿ ಅವಿಷಯ ಮನಸಾಂ ಯಃ ಪರಸ್ತಾದ್ಯತೀನಾಂ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸನ್ಮಾರ್ಗಾಲೋಕನಾಯ ವ್ಯಪನಯತು ವಹ ತಾಮಸೀಂ ವೃತ್ತಿಮೀಶ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಈಶ್ವರ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದ ಈಶ್ವರ? ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಏಕೈಶ್ವರ್ಯ, ಅನಂತ ವೈಭವ, ಅನಂತ ಭೋಗ, ಅನಂತ ಸುಖ ಇರೋರು ಈಶ್ವರನು. ಆದರೆ ಈಶ್ವರ ಅನಂತ ವೈಭವ, ಅನಂತ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಸಂಪದಗಳಿದ್ದಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕುಬೇರನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಲೇಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ Sadasivan in Bangalore. Many of the ministers have got their bungalows in Sadasivanagar, not elsewhere. So the land area, the land value is very expensive there ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಹಾಕಪಾಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಇದ್ದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಪಂಚಿಕ ಸುಖಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ತರಹ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಮೋಹ ಇಲ್ಲದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕಾಂತಾ ಸಮ್ಮಿಶ್ರ ದೇಹೋಪಿ ಅವಿಷಯ ಮನಸಾಂ ಯಃ ಪರಸ್ತಾದ್. ಕಾಂತಾ ಸಮ್ಮಿಶ್ರಿತ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥೇನು? He has got all family comfort, all luxury, all that, but he is not attached to that. And he is just a yeti. That's exactly what you can see in the character of Ravana also. Rama, soon after marrying Sita Devi, when he came to his palace, he told Sita, Amma, Sita Devi, Munibhistulyam mam vidhi kevalam dharmam asritah naham arthaparo devi. So Amma, Sita, I am not fond of riches, in enhancing the riches what I have already. Naham arthaparaha, I don't want more and more money to come and join me. But ನಾನು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಧರ್ಮ is important for me. In order to observe the dharma, protect dharma, I am just following the pathway of the rishis. Munibhi tulyam mam vidhi. So Ramanagali, even Krishna also the same thing. Though he is a husband of 1608 wives, He is always above all these kind of attractions. So you see that Krishna is, whatever Krishna does in Avatara by Vishnu is all Leela. ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಷ್ಟ, ಕೋಪ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಲೀಲಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಈವನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಿಗ್ರಹ, ಈವನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಚರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ. How is Krishna like? Krishna like only. But there is no comparison at all for the form, for the power, and etc. antecedents of the Paramatma. That's why we say Leela Manusha Vigraha Yai Namaha, Leela Manusha Vigraha Yanamaha. ಈ ಲೀಲಾ ಮಾನುಷ ವಿಗ್ರಹ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾಗ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೀಲಾ ಶುಕನು ಮಹರ್ಷಿ ಅವನು ಕೃಷ್ಣಲೀಲಾ ತರಂಗಿಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನಂತ ಆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನನ್ನು ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈಸಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ತಿಲಕಂ ಲಲಾಟ ಫಲಕೆ ವಕ್ಷಸ್ಥಲೆ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭಂ ನಾಸಾಗ್ರೇ ನವಮೌಕ್ತಿಕಂ ಕರತಲೆ ವೇಣುಂ ಕರೆ ಕಂಕಣಂ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೇ ಹರಿಚಂದನಂಚ ಕಲಯಂ ಕಂಠೇ ಚ ಮುಕ್ತಾಮಣಿಂ ಗೋಪಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಪರಿವೇಷ್ಟಿತೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗೋಪಾಲ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಗೋಪಸ್ತ್ರೀ ವಿಜಯತೆ. And he is also very much enjoyable in the company of the gopis. But he is taken as the Gopala Chudamani. He is the crest ornament of all Gopalas. That is, see, look at that kind of description. And this Krishna here is materialistic, at the same time highly spiritualist. ಗೋಪಾಲ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ one may wear 100 ornaments on the body, but which is the ornament that catches the attention immediately of people? It is the crest ornament. So that's what is called. So ಆ ಆಭರಣ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಾಕಿ ಆಭರಣಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಇದರ ಭುಜಕೀರ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಲಿ, ಈ ಮಾಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಾಗಲಿ, ಕಾಲಿನ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನಮ್ಮ ಭರ್ತೃರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಯೂರಾಣಿನ ಭೂಷಯಂತಿ ಪುರುಷಂ ಹಾರಾನ ಚಂದ್ರೋಜ್ವಲ ನ ಸ್ನಾನಂ ನ ವಿಲೇಪನಂ ನ ಕುಸುಮಂ ನಾಲಂಕೃತ ಮೂರ್ಧಜಾಃ ವಾಣ್ಯೇಕಾ ಸಮಲಂಕರೋತಿ ಪುರುಷಂ ಯಾ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಧಾರ್ಯತೆ ಕ್ಷೀಯಂತೆ ಖಿಲ ಭೂಷಣಾನಿ ಸತತಂ ವಾಗ್ಭೂಷಣಂ ಭೂಷಣಂ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಭೂಷಣಂ ಫಾರ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಗೋಪಾಣಿ? ಗೋಪಾಲ. Go has got so many meanings. Go is Vedas. Go is Gnanam. Go is cow. Go is Bhumi, etc. So number of meanings are there. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಹಾಕಪಾಲಿ. ಕಪಾಲ ಪಾತ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? he lives in ಸ್ಮಶಾನಂ, in a graveyard, which is the exit point for any and everybody who comes into the world. Those who come into the world may be in different places, but they all have got to join at the smashanam. Every town has got a graveyard, but all such graveyards in the whole world put together is called Mahasmashanam. And only Kasi is described as the Mahasmashanam. So people want to die in the royal graveyard rather than other small chota mota graveyards. ಅದರಿಂದ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿವ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫೆಲೋ ಹೂ ಟ್ರೈಸ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಎಮಾನ್ಸಿಪೇಷನ್, ಹೂ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಕೈಲಾಸ್. That's why Shankaracharya, whose Jayanti, happy birthday, we are going to celebrate on this 5th of Vaishakha Masam, maybe the 12th May. He chose to have Nirjana from Kailas. Kailasanatham so Shiva Shankaracharyaru Kailasanathana Namaskara Madkondu Allinda he went up to the Kailas. That's why probably recognizing that kind of exit point of our Lord Shankara Acharya, they have erected a wonderful statue behind the Kedarnath temple there in Kedarnath. And even that Vigraha was also being transported from Mysore. I think so, I don't know. So, Mysore sculptor is really a great, fortunate Janma it is, that he was able to present the Balarama and at the same time the statue of Shankara. And so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಒಂದು ಆ ತರಹ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Otherwise, Jujubi, people are just fretting lot during their lifetime, cannot make marks, but finish off themselves. So that's why ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಲೀವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಆನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೈಮನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That is only one which can take deep imprints of your personality as you are walking in the sand. In ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾನ್ ದೇರ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಫಿಂಗರ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎನಿವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹಾಕಪಾಲಿ ಸಂಪದೇ ಶಿರೋಜಟಾಲಮಸ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿನ ಸಂಪದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿನ ಸಂಪದ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಯೋ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಅಂತ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿಗೆ ಗೋಪಿಚಂದ್ ಅವರೇ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಕೊಡೋದು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಸ್ ಖಾಲಿಯಾಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಉದ್ದ ಇರೋ ಮಾಲಗಳು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದೇನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ತೃಪ್ತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಷ್ಣುವಿಗೆ. ಸದಾ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಅಸಂತೃಪ್ತ, ಶಿವ ತೃಪ್ತ, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಚ ನ ತೃಪ್ತ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಯೇನ ಕುಲಾಲವನ್ನಿಯಮಿತೆ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಾಂಡ ಭಾಂಡೋದರೇ ವಿಷ್ಣುರ್ಯೇನ ದಶಾವತಾರ ಗಹನೆ ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತೋ ಮಹಾಸಂಕಟೇ. ಸೊ ಆದರೆ ಶಿವನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾಗಿ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು. ಸೊ ತಾಂಡವ ನೃತ್ಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಶಿವನಿಗೇ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಅಂಥ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಹೇಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಂಕರಾರ್ಯರು, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟಾಂಚ್ ಭಕ್ತ ಆಫ್ ಶಿವ, ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಪೋಸ್ಡ್ ಶಿವ ಆನಂದ ಲಹರಿ. ಸೊ ಶಿವಾನಂದ ಲಹರಿ ಅಂತ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಲಿರಿಕಲ್ ಪೊಯಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಆಫ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನಂದ ಆಫ್ ಅಯ್ಯ, ಪುಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯಾನಂದ ಆನಂದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ, ವಿಚ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೋಕ್ಷ. ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ಏನೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೀಕ್ ದಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ಆನಂದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯಂ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯಾನಂದಂ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ, ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು, ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆನಂದ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಜನ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಂಕರರು ಹೇಳಿದರು, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಾರಪ್ಪ, ಜನ್ಮ ದುಃಖಂ ಜರಾ ದುಃಖಂ ಯದ್ದುಃಖಂ ದುಃಖಮೇವ ಚ ತಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಜಾಗ್ರತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಭಜ ಗೋವಿಂದಂ ಭಜ ಗೋವಿಂದಂ ಭಜ ಗೋವಿಂದಂ ಮುಡಮತೆ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕಾಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ even Ravanasura also is a great gnani, but that gnanam got clouded, so much clouded that he was not able to get out of it. And in fact, in some Ramayanam, when Mandodari advised Ravana, don't go for second fight with Rama. Ravana is the only one enemy who goes for a second fight. Rather, Rama is the only one hero who allowed the enemy, a staunch enemy, offended enemy, to go back and become fresh and come back for the ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೈಟ್. ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೈಟ್ಗೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವರು, ಯೋಧರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಾಮ. And in Krishna Avatara, also there was opportunity for Jarasandha, but 17 times. See, Jarasandhana ಸಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ every time was requesting Balarama not to finish Jarasandha. Because Krishna's Avatara is a final Avatara, and ಮಾನವ ರೂಪ ರಾಕ್ಷಸರನ್ನು ಸಂಹಾರ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಕೆಲಸ. Generally, in Ramayana, you find Virupa Rakshasas. But in Ramayana, in Mahabharata, in Bhagavatam or Mahabharata, the Rakshasas are very beautiful to look at, very handsome. Duryodhana was a handsome fellow. Dushasana was a handsome fellow. Even Shishupala was also a handsome fellow. And Dantavaktra was a handsome. So looking at all these handsome fellows, they're all manavas, humans, but their vritti, Rakshasa vritti. Rakshasa Swabhava, Manava Sarira, even today are there. Not that only it ended in Dwapara Yugam, and their intensity is more in Kali Yuga also. They look sweet, but their behavior is cruel. So, Ataraha Iroga, so Mahakapali Sampade Sirojatala Mastunaha andre, Avaga, Yakendre, Sudhama Yukhalekhas, the Amrutadharas flow forth from Chandra. And that Chandra who is there upon the Shiva is crescent moon. Purna Chandra idre, you can imagine. Andre artha enu, Shivanugraha would not come to you lump sum agi baralla. You should be a Shiva Bhakta, run for a long time. That's why Shivakare Manche Paramasiva Paryanka Nilayam Atastvam Dhanya ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಪರಮಶಿವ ಪರ್ಯಂಕ ನಿಲಯಾಂ ತಾಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆ ಶಿವ, ಆ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ ಕೂಡ ಶಿ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ ಪರಮಶಿವ ಪರ್ಯಂಕ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಹರ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಹರ್, ದೆನ್ ಶಿವಶಕ್ತಿ ಏಕಸ್ವರೂಪಂ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ toughest demon like Bhandasura. So Ellaru deputies have done a lot of Rakshamaharam, but when the question of Bhandasura comes up, she only takes the Karjal. Bhandasura vadhojyukta mukhya shakti sena samavrutayai namo namaha. So though she has got Shaktis in plenty, abundant, but she has only picked up mukhya Shakti. ಆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಕ್ತಿ ದೇವತೆಗಳು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಅಮೃತಾದಿ ಮಹಾಶಕ್ತಿ ಸಮೃತ ಯೈ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ ಅಂತ. when you go to Lalita Sahasranamam, every nama is a Bible or is a Bhagavatam for us. As you keep on brooding over, spending thoughts over that, you get lots of secrets unraveled, because tantric, yogic, mantric and so on. So, hige Mahakapali Sampade, I don't go further. And let's go to the next one. Karala bhala pattika dhagad jwalatu Sanjayahuti krita prachanda panchasayake dharadharendra nandini kujagra chitra Patraka Prakalpanaika Silpini Trilochane Ratirmama. So here there is the Srungara being affixed for the Prachanda Tandava of Rudra, who is in a high ecstatic state, at a state where he forgets all. Dhananjayahuti Kruta Prachanda Panchasayake. See, his anger was simply exalted. Top anger. A top anger in the Enagitu, he opened his third eye. And when once the Agni Netra is being opened, the fellow is done. Therefore, Dhananjayahuti Kruta Prachanda Panchasayaka. He Prachanda Sunu, poor fellow. Panchasayaka is Manmatha. Manmatha is a weakling. Actually, in Saundarya Lahari, talking about the importance and Mahima of Devi Lalita or Saundarya Lahari Devata, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಎಂಥ ದೊಡ್ಡವಳು ಅಂದರೆ the highly weakest person becomes the strongest hero because of your power. Likewise, Vishnu, who is nobody actually, when he becomes Abala, he becomes a Mohini, and that Mohini Shakti is so powerful. That's why Nari ಇದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಕೇನ ಈಶಾ ನಿರ್ಮಿತ ನಾರಿ ಮಹಾಮೋಹಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. At a time when he was not able to resist the controls, ಇಂದ್ರಿಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, at one point it is said, Vivekananda was simply exclaiming with great concern, Kena Isha Nirmita Nari Mahamahini. Who is the stupid fellow who created this woman, a Nari, who is a Mahamari? Kena Isha Nirmita Nari Mahamohini. I'm sorry. So Nari means no enemy, no girl. Nobody hates a girl. All people love the girls. And that's why she's called Na-Ari. So anta ಸ್ವರೂಪವನ್ನು ನಾರಿ ರೂಪವನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕೂಡ ಅಮ್ಮಕ್ಕೂ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾರಮ್ and only that is the solution that I can find by which I can control the Rakshasas and do a good job of distributing the Amrita only for the gods. So when all Rakshasas looked at the Mohini out and walking with all fashion and style, catwalk, ಏನು ವಾಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ವಾಕು, ಆ ಸ್ವರೂಪ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಾಕ್ಷಸರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ all Rakshasas became tempted and rushed to Mohini and said, you try to distribute Amritam to all of us. Then she put some conditions. Vishnu and as Mohini put two conditions. And all Rakshasas agreed for the conditions. Generally, for women's proposals, all will have to agree. First you may say no, but still you can. Because as you see in Ramayanam, and Rama said, Sita, stay here. Look after my brothers. Look after my parents. I'll go to forest for 14 years and come back. So if you keep doing Devata Puja and also service to our people, I'm going. When Rama said so curtly to Sita, Sita is such a great, eminent lady, a good Pativrata. She said, she started talking back. And all the time, she was very careful that Rama will never grow angry at her talk. So she says, Smaraye natu shikshaye, Smaraye natu shikshaye. Oh, I am just only making you remember your dharma. I am not disciplining you in that aspect. So, literally, Sita held ಮೇಲೆ, you can imagine, Rama became so cool and said, okay, Sita, get ready, make some dhanam, give up all your things, and get ready to go to forest. When she also is going, all the mothers and everybody gave her plenty of ornaments to her, plenty of maryadas, where she can take, but still she could take some things. So that's how Ramayana story goes. So ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪಂಚಸಾಯಕೆ ಆಹುತೀಕೃತ, even though Panchasayaka is being burnt down, still he is fond of Parvati. Dharadharendra Nandini Kujagra Chitra Patraka Prakalpanaiga Silpini. He is a Silpin. Silpin means he is a wonderful architect by himself, and he is a highly attractive doll by himself. So with Shiva, all Shiva Vigrahas are very attractive. That's why you have got that Sadguru erecting such a statue like, and however many statues of so many people you erect, but there is no comparison for the statue of Shankara and Shiva. Because wherever there is Shiva, there is the Ganga Pravaham going on. That's the condition with which Ganga left the crest of Lord Rudra. See, when Shiva was about to let loose Ganga from his head, then Ganga Devi asked him, no, I don't go. unless you agree me to be your wife. Second, consort. Secondly, wherever I am flowing, you should be there. So I cannot get widowed from you. That's why you observe wherever Ganga Pravaha is going on, there are the erections of the Shiva Vigraha. For example, in Haridwar, just near the Ganga, you see such a big statue of Lord Rudra. And when the Ganga running with great speed at Haridwar, for example, or at the confluence of the Bhagirathi and Ganga, she is so calm and quiet in Kasi, in Banaras, because Vishweswara is there. Her husband is there. That's why you can remain in the boat and observe the Deepaharati for Ganga. No place, but only in Ganga and Kasi. On no river you can remain in your boat and then observe the Harati done. Even for Kaveri river, no, I think so. So ಯಾವ ರಿವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Only in Kasi you have the saubhagya of observing the Ganga Harati from staying in a boat in the waters of Ganga, because she is so calm and pleasant and all that. She is not bothered about taking off any of the fellows in Kasi. But in Allahabad, you can see that Kasi, that Ganga running very prayer, and in all places. But in Kasi, it is like that because Kuchagra Chitra Patraka Prakalpanaika Silpini ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ఆయన ఏం చేస్తారు పరమాత్మ, అమ్మవారు ఎక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడ నోరు మూసుకొని పడి ఉంటాడు. And so all people are subservient to women. ఎంత వారలైనాక అందదాసులే కదా. త్యాగరాజు తన కీర్తనలు ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, వాట్ ఎవర్ బి ది అచీవ్మెంట్, అకాంప్లిష్మెంట్, అవార్డ్స్, ఎట్సెట్రా ఎట్సెట్రా, all people have got to bow down before the kalatram. That's why a barber is called like father. A barber has to, the hair of the Maharaja could be touched by the parents and by the consort. No one else. A wife can touch the hair or head of the Chakravarti. Parents can touch the hair of the boy, but never anyone other than that. If it happens, it's a great insult to the person and to the people belonging. That's exactly what you see in the Dronacharya case in Mahabharata. See, that Ashwatthama was doubly angry upon Drishtadyumna and Pandavas, because Drishtadyumna jumped out from his chariot and held Dronacharya by hair and cut off the neck of Dronacharya with a sword so well that Drona was done. So because that Drishtadyumna touched the hair of his father, that was something highly sensational, angry for that, because so it is something like Padasprushteva Pannagam. If you were to touch this cobra with your foot, you are done. You can never remain. And also it is said, any cobra can keep enmity with the person offended for 12 years. So that Bhujanga has got number of meanings also. So Dharadharendra Nandini Kuchagra Chitra Patraka Prakalpanaika Silpini. So in Srungara Rasa also, Shiva is top. So he is also called a Srungara Nayaka, and Parvati is absolutely pleased with Shiva, and so much so, it is called Ardhanarishwara Swarupam. And Shiva wants to be totally Amma, and Parvati wants to be also totally Shiva. But that's why both are very busy in doing penance. It is like the crescent moon on Shiva to become Purna Chandra. He is also doing penance, but it doesn't happen. Shiva, crescent moon, Kisora Chandra of Shiva cannot become Purna Chandra on Shiva, nor the Purna Chandra on Amavaru cannot become a Kisora Chandra. So these are all some of the important legendary type situations for our gods, and there may be descriptions, But all of them have got a great deal of message to us that when you have reached maturity stage, you can't stoop down to the lowest level. When you are at lowest level, you should work hard to reach heights of happiness and glory. That's why, so that all both opportunities or both scopes have been indicated in the horoscope of Chandra. If at all you want to write a horoscope for Chandra, there is that kind of difficulty in Chandra. When once he is a Purna Chandra, he can't become Crescent Chandra on the crest of Parvati or the Ammavaru. And like that, I'm just imagining. It is my pure projection of thought. And so, Prakalpana Ekasilpini. Ekasilpini means unique. There is no comparison. There is no Anvaya howsoever at all. In the aspect of the Srungara, that's why it said Eka Iswarye Sthitopi Pranata Bahupalepi Yasvayam Krittivasahanavaga. However rich you are, you must be available for common people. Something like the Microsoft chief or Bata or that Bata shoe company or some Baba. I don't know, all these great people, though they don't know what their income is, but they are so simple that they are available for people and all that. Something like telling any person who builds a bungalow in 50-70 site or 70-120 site, he must keep a calling bell for the compound wall gate so that people can approach and ask for help whenever need arises instantly. But how many such big fellows have got uh, calling bell at the compound wall? Few, but not all people I know. In fact, I told some people who are who were members of our Kendra, sir, your house is so big, you must be available for us like that. So keep a calling bell so that you will know or somebody will know to come and open. You keep the dog, no calling bell. It's a problem. Ataraha Allah Rudra is Prakalpana Ekasilpini, and he is so kind, compassionate. The Shiva Karuna is Samudra, Kripa Samudraha, and nobody can beat him. That's why, uh, moreover, he is dangerous, he is cool, and at the same time, he is energetic. Trilochana, Surya Bhagavan, that is called Ravilochanaha, Chandralochanaha, and Agni Lochanaha. So Ravi, Chandra, Agni, beautiful combination. But the Agni Netra is always closed. It's never open. It's emergency call. But his other two eyes are open, are available. But even there, he will not open both eyes. So Sada Dhyana Paro Sivaha, he will be closing his eyes always. If at all, Ardhanimilita Netraha. Shiva is Ardhanimilita Netra, half closed. That is, he sees the world, he does not see the world. So, ಆ ತರಹ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ you know things, but you are not attached to things. Not knowing is ignorance, is danger, but knowing is wealth. So when you know things, when you know the know-how, you are comfortable. When you don't know, when you ignore it, you are in danger. No entry ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡದೆ ಎಂಟ್ರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸವನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಾತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಲೋಚನೇರ ತಿರ್ನಮ ಅಂತ ಶಬ್ದ ಪ್ರಯೋಗ ನಮ್ಮ ದಶಗ್ರೀವ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಂದರೆ ಆ ತ್ರಿಲೋಚನಗಳ ಪ್ರಭಾವ independent, quite different and distinguished, has got to be marked when you say that. Ratihi, ಅದೇನು ಈ ತ್ರಿಲೋಚನೆಗಳ ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷರ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಭಯ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇನ್ ಹಂಪಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಲೇಪಾಕ್ಷಿ ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಶಿವ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನನೇ, ಬಟ್ ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, 3-eyed ಗಾಡ್, ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ರೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಆ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾಗಲಿ ಆರ್ ವಿರೂಪಾಕ್ಷ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಾಗಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. That's why I think in Hampi we have got Virupaksha Devasthanam. And like that, Shiva Devasthanagalalli Kuda mark of difference is there. Vishweswara, Omkareswara, and then Triambakeswara. You know, Triambakeswara Devasthana is there. That's a Jyotirlinga. See, Trilochane Ratirmamandre, visiting the Triambakeswar, Nasik hತ್ರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಯಂಬಕ ಅಂಬಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು 3 ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿದ್ದ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಹಿಂಗಿದಾನೋ ಆ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ತ್ರಿಲೋಚನೆ ರತಿರ್ನಮ. ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ತ್ರಿಲೋಚನ? ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನರಿ ಫೆಲೋ, ಈಸ್ ಅ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿನ್, ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕಲ್ಪ್ಟರ್. ಪ್ರಪಂಚವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ 3 ವಿಧವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಏನು? ಸತ್ವ, ರಜ ಅಂಡ್ ತಮೋಗುಣ. ಈ 3 ಗುಣಗಳು ಇದ್ದ ಮಹಾನ್ ಪ್ರಪಂಚವೇ ಪ್ರಪಂಚ. ಈ 3 ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅತೀತವಾದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸತ್ಯ ಸಾಯಿಬಾಬಾ. ಈ ಆ ತಮೋ ಗುಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬನಿಯನ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಬನಿಯನ್ ಥರ ತಿನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಲೇಯರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಜೋಗುಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಶರ್ಟ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸು, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ಸು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಜೋಗುಣಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸತ್ವಗುಣಕ್ಕೆ ದಪ್ಪವಾಗಿರುವ ಸ್ವೆಟ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಔಟರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 3ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೃದಯ ದರ್ಶನ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಹೃದಯ ದರ್ಶನ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೋ ಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ತ್ರಿಗುಣಾಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೆವರ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಈ ಸಂಸಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಂಸಾರ ಪಂಕ ನಿರ್ಮಗ್ನ ಸಮುದ್ಧರಣ ಪಂಡಿತ ಜೈ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಂಸಾರ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೊರದ, ಪಂಕ, ಹೊಲಸು, ಮೈರ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಂದರೆ, ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಬುರದ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಮೈಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತೊಳೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಬಲ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅಮ್ಮವಾರು ಕತೆ. ಸೊ ಸಂಸಾರ ಪಂಕ ನಿರ್ಮಗ್ನ ಸಮುದ್ಧರಣ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಟು. ಅಯ್ಯ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಚ್. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ಭಾಗವತಂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ತ್ರೀ ಸ್ವರೂಪಂ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ ಮಹಾನ್ ಭಾವ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಪಗಳು ದೋಷಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಶರೀರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಳೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೋಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಉದ್ಧವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಐ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪಾಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಕ್ಷಾಳನ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್, ದಿ ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಹಾಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಫಿಲಾಸಫಿ, ದಟ್ you work, people will work with you. And so that's exactly what he says. Ekasilpini Trilochana. Who is Ekasilpin? Trilochana is Ekasilpi. He is a unique sculptor. You know, sculptor is important. And a sculptor, brethren, all vigrahas are coming from the sculptors, more so focused in Mahabalipuram. In fact, to build some a temple in Indianapolis, from Mahabalipuram, all the Silpins have come, stayed for 2 years and prepared wonderful vigrahas of Shiva, Parvati, etc. And they are all installed in the temple, Hindu temple of Indianapolis. You can just go to the website and see it's central Indiana. There you can see the entire process, how it came up. Anyway, ಹಾಗೆ you Trilochana, and then he must have the quality of Sattva, Raja and Tamo gunas, and then only we will be having a most important result. And Bhakti, ಆ ಭಕ್ತಿಗೆ ರತಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಡ್ ಬಾತ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೆಡ್ ಬಾತ್ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಭಕ್ತಿ, ರಕ್ತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮುಕ್ತಿ. ಈ ರಕ್ತಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ರತಿ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇವರ್ ದಶಗ್ರೀವ Ravanasura is constantly pitching upon the word rati, not anything else. Bhakti is there. Whenever he says bhaje, bhakti. Whenever he says rati, that is what we call the bath, tolyodu. And next one is called is that. So with this, I think I can stop here. I hope you all have enjoyed, and we can keep on talking on each sloka. That's why it's the second. Yes, done. So we stop here. Om Swasti. सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति 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 सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु सर्वं श्री मातृचरणारविन्दार्पणमस्तु सर्वं श्री शिवार्पणमस्तु ओम तत्सतु थैंक you very much
Basement entire thing. Yeah, a
Yes,
big
I know.
basement area.
I have been there, but
Very
somehow
nice.
I
Okay.
yes, you are right.
where
Dhanyawada,
are you, madam?
dhanyawada, madam.
Dhanyawad.
Pardon?
Where are you right now? You are in Europe?
Yes, I am in Belgium. Yes, that is why I asked you.
Oh, really? Very nice. Madam, we should get connected. Sir, Prabhakar sir, you are mentioning about one more lady from Australia. So, yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
we will get connected. Hello, yes.
Madam,
Right.
quickly then, please pass on the phone number in the group, another way the group. I will note down.
My phone number is 0498.
One second. I will just take down 1 minute, madam. Then I'll mention to Dr. Prabhakar. Sir, two gentlemen wanted to come and recite the same Shivatandava Stotra. Next week, in full vigor, two youngsters were offering. I told them, man, Bhasha is going on. So next week, we want to extend that notes also. Surprisingly, he came to me and youngsters are all in project. Sir, we want to recite. Can you join? Then my wife said she can join with musical, tones. So next week, we hope we will do that also. But meanwhile, I told them condition is you have to join for Bhashyam. That is important. So 1 hour you give per week, I told them. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
That's
We
all.
stop. We are
Yes,
going to
sir.
Aurora Temple for Abhishekam and thank you
Okay.
very much. Thank
I'll
you.
just note down madam's phone number, sir. Once again.
Note down and then communicate to me.
Yes, sir. Madam, could you number please you give me?
Yes, it is 0498
Yeah.
222
Okay.
390.
390. This is Germany, right? Or 498?
No, this is 32 is Belgium.
0498 222 390.
222 390.
Your good name, madam?
Vijaya Chandramouli.
Okay. Thank you. I will get connected.
Yes, thank you so much.
You are welcome to which part of Belgium you are in right now?
In Wallonia.
Oh, Veloni. All
Yes,
right. Thank
French
you. We'll be
speaking,
in touch.
French speaking. Where are you? You are in Ever.
Ever municipality, very close to RTL.
Okay,
And
sir,
what do you call
I will just close them. I will
Okay,
close
sir. Thank you, Gurule.
Yes, namaskara,
Yes.
Mahodaya.
Note number.
Okay.
All people are making me to be ready for
Yes,
them
sir.
to go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.